Now, a lot of times when we look at conditional statements, we write them in a condensed form with notation, and I will refer to them quite a bit in this format, only because it's a lot easier and a lot faster to write it out. So this format you guys see right here, P arrow Q, right? And a lot of times when you're just writing that out, it'll just look like P arrow Q. This is logic language. So for those guys who've ever had, well, take logic in the future, which is somewhat of an interesting class to take, or for those guys who love to take philosophy, you'll be spending a lot of time in this notation. Yeah, talk about a almost useless degree is the degree in philosophy. Oh, really? Oh, I stepped into that one. All right, so if P then Q, that's basically when you guys are looking at the P arrow Q, the way you want to read this is if P then Q. So the converse, and this is the three forms that, ladies, it's really important that you guys get these three forms down. The converse is going to be the exact flip of this. If Q, then P. So the hypothesis and the conclusion completely switch locations. Around. The inverse is a negative. So yeah, so it's negative P. The way that we write the negative is with this little, you guys I think in Spanish will recognize this symbol, the tilde. And so the way we say that is if not P, then not Q. If not P, then not Q. And then the contrapositive is the converse of the inverse. So if not Q, then not P. All right, you guys, you need to know this. This is the information that you guys need to know. So let's take a look at this in action here. We take a look at number 5. All chimpanzees love bananas. Now, we're not saying this is a true statement. We're just playing around with the statement just for a little bit here. Okay, all chimpanzees love bananas. So, part A. What would be my original conditional statement? Sorry? We need to write as an if-then statement. I know, be careful here because we don't necessarily have to use all chimpanzees. Sage?
If the animal is a chimpanzee and it loves bananas.
Okay, so if an animal is a chimpanzee, which we're going to read that as chimp, then it loves bananas. Okay, that's our original conditional statement. So what would be my converse? If it loves bananas, then it is a chimp, right? If it loves bananas. So again, guys, remember the converse, we're just flipping the hypothesis and conclusion. So by conclusion, it loves bananas is going to move up in front of or after if, and then my hypothesis switches location and comes out to the then. Now, over here, you got to make sure this is grammatically correct. How would I write my inverse? Guys, answer.
the animal is not a chimp, then it doesn't have an animal.
So if an animal is not a chimp, so there's that negative, right? It's not a chimp. Then what? Doesn't love bananas. Alright, so what about finally the contrapositive? I want to write out the contrapositive. Go ahead, Tori.
If it does not love bananas, then it does not wish him.
Yeah, there we go. So it does not love bananas. It is not a chimp. Okay, how do we feel about that?
Good. Too much writing.
It's a lot of writing.
Can we just abbreviate it?
Okay,
How was your
so
cheating?
we get the idea of this then? Yeah. Pretty easy flow.